Alright, so in today's video we're talking about YouTube channel video ideas. Video ideas that will have the opportunity for your channel to blow up. Ideas that may go viral on your channel. Now, I'm not going to give you a bunch of video ideas that aren't relevant to your channel because that just wouldn't help you. Instead, I'm going to show you how to find viral video ideas for your channel that are relative to your channel and that are actually going to benefit your channel in blowing up. Because if you're in a specific niche, you want video ideas for your channel that are popular in your niche, not video ideas like I don't know, girl versus guy outfit try on, or I don't know, bathing suit try on. I mean, that might not benefit you. If you're in the yoga niche or if you're in the health and fitness niche, that's not even relevant to your niche. So why would you want to watch a channel video idea about video ideas that is not even relevant to your channel? So instead, I'm going to show you how to find those video ideas that will benefit your channel, help your channel become popular, increase the chances of your videos going viral on your channel. For today's video, we're going to use the yoga niche. So whatever your niche is, if you're in the health and fitness, then find a channel that's in that niche. If you're in the finance niche and you like channels like Graham Stephan or other channels like Biaza, he does like financial videos, forex trading, stuff like that. I don't know what your channel is, what your niche is for your channel, but that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna jump in the computer real quick. So we're just gonna go through and we're gonna open up 10 tabs of yoga channels, and then we're gonna go through. This is gonna give you 100 video ideas, which is more than enough for the year. I don't know, it depends on how many videos you're going to planning on making for your channel. I would first start there, but this is going to give you 100 video ideas, and then if you need more video ideas, then you're just going to go look at other relative channels, and you can even, go into the fitness channels that aren't really yoga, but they might have a yoga related video on their fitness channel, and this will help you find 100 plus video ideas easily, and even more as you get better and you make more videos. Just gonna find yoga, and you can separate you can filter by channel. Up here in the top, you just click on filter and type channel, and so that way you can narrow down the list instead of it just pulling up videos, and that'll speed up the process. So basically, filter by channels. And so you can just come over here and open up. So if you're already in the yoga niche, you would already know what channels you like. And so you would just open up 10 tabs of those channels, and then we'll start the second part of this. Now, I'm not familiar with the yoga channel, so I'm just opening up some random channels that I think would be interesting. And alright, so for the sake of this video, I'm not going to open up 10 tabs, but you should open up 10 tabs because it's slowing my computer down, because I already have 20 other tabs on another screen open for another video that I'm planning on recording. So we're just gonna minimize the amount of windows that I have open so I can speed up this process, so I can show you how to get this going. And so what we would do once we're inside as someone's channel is we would go through and we would look at their recent videos, and we would look at the average views. This person is getting approximately less than, I don't know, maybe we'll just say, well, her first videos that 3 days ago are only getting less than a couple hundred views. But we'll go and click on the videos tab, and it's going to automatically show you by most recent to furthest out. And so what we're going to do is we're looking at the videos that she's got going on here. This one was a week ago, 138 views, 298 views, and 173 views, 268 vieus. So she hasn't been, she's not been getting that many views on her channel. Oh, she's only got 2.51 subscribers. So this might be a good channel for you to model after if you don't have that many subscribers. And we can see what kind of breakout videos that she has on her channel, which will help find video ideas for your channel to help you get breakout videos as well. So this is a great channel that we've selected here. So what we're doing is we're looking at the videos, and she's got 282 views, 131 views, 356 views, on average, she's getting, you know, less than 500 views per video. And so we're going down here and we're looking. This one had a little over 546 views. So that one's a little more than average. Let's see. So in the past month, we've got 191, 231, 96, 308, 138, 295. So I would say on average, she's probably, you know, 200 views between those couple videos. This one here got 438 views, so that might be a little bit of a breakout video for her. And then this one here was 523 views. That was a kind of a breakout video for her. We're looking at the videos to see which ones have gone past her like average views, because first your videos are shown to your audience, and then they're shown to non-subscribers as well after that. But once, you know, and ones with the higher click-through rate, this one's a good one, 712 views. That'd be a good one for you to make, because that was a breakout video. And this is probably going to show up more relevant, or more. This is going to show up better on maybe this. This is going to show up on other channels in more increased numbers. But she's a newbie, and I don't want to say that in a negative way. I'm a newbie as well, so. This one right here was 1,000 views, 1.5 thousand views. So that would be a good video to definitely do. 1 hour vinyasa flow for flexibility, if you can do that video on your channel. Let's take a look at the other channels. And so what we're doing is we're looking for breakout videos that have gone above. Oh, here's another startup channel, 1.3 thousand subscribers. And so we're going to go over and hit the videos tab again. And let's go back to that channel real quick that we were just looking at. So what you can see here is another way to do this is we can sort by most popular, and I wouldn't go back any more than 2 years as far as like video ideas that you're going to do for your channel. And so what you do is you basically create a playlist. So this one 9 months ago, 48,000 views on this channel with 2.51 thousand subscribers. That's a great video idea for you to do. Absolutely wonderful video idea. Because if it broke out for her, there's a good chance it'll break out for you. And so you want to double down on these. So what we want to do here is I have a playlist, and this is the best way to keep these, rather than like writing them down and putting them in a journal or putting them in a Google Drive. That way you can just come through the video idea list and you can just scroll through it. Right here, if you see on my screen, I have this YouTube video ideas, and basically I would just check there and I will put it in my YouTube video idea list. But I'm not going to add it to my list because it's not relative to my channel. But so we would go look. This one has 3,000 views. That's another great one that we'd probably want to do, because we saw that she was only getting an average of less than, you know, maybe 400 or 500 views. And so that was 8 months ago, 3,000 views, 1.8 thousand views 10 months ago. And so now we have, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 video ideas right here in the beginning that are all relative within the past 11 months of video ideas that would be great for you to do on your channel. Now I just randomly picked these yoga channels. So I got lucky, I guess, in a way, because this is a new channel as well, 1.3 thousand subscribers. And if we look at, you know, 24 views, 129 views, 307 views, 813 views, 881 views. And the reason that I know that this works is because I've taken quite a few, not yoga, YouTube courses. And this is one of the process that one of my mentors has used to grow her channel to over 400,000 subscribers in less than 2 years. So this does work. Don't discount it. I know that it works. And so we can do the same thing here. Looks like they only have a couple videos up on their channel, maybe less than 30 videos. But we can do sort by most popular again, and we can look at because the recent videos were less than 24 views 2 weeks ago, 93 views, 129 views, 234 views, 488 views 11 months ago. So less than 500 again. But if we go up here, we can look at this video here. It hit 2.2 thousand views, 2.1 thousand views, 2,000 views. So these are more video ideas that we can now add to our channel. And so if you get 10 videos from each one of these channels of video ideas, then you can add them to your channel. Another great yoga channel, 256 subscribers on her channel, Yoga with Yiva. Let's see how many videos she has. So she's got quite a few videos. Now they're not getting that many views. It doesn't appear. 104 views, 156 views, 212 views, 388 views. And so we're going to do the same thing here. Is we're going to sort by most popular, and then we're going to look at her overall views. And so we can see that on average she's getting probably around 200 views, I would say, based on her recent ones. And so she doesn't really have any breakout videos, except for maybe this one with 466 views. And these are kind of like breakout videos, but not really. So maybe this is a bad channel example. And then we're going to look at one more. Surprisingly, all these channels that I've picked out so far have got very minimal subscribers, which might be really beneficial for you if you don't have that many subscribers. And if you're watching this video, you might not have that many subscribers and you don't know how to find video ideas. So this is great for you guys. So we can see, 8 hours ago, 21 views, 59 views, 35 views, and then we keep scrolling through. We can see that they're not getting that many views, but they do have 4,000 subscribers on their channel, and so we can do sort by again, and now here's a breakout video. She got a breakout video right here. Let me turn my phone off real quick. Okay, so we got a breakout video right here. Perfect example. 4,000 subscribers. That means it broke out past her subscribers. And we're not done here, so make sure you're staying because there's going to be more information coming. I know I gave you, it seems kind of redundant right here, but we're kind of speeding this process up. We can see right now, this video right here, 6 months ago, 11,000 views. If we go back and look at their recent channel videos, we can see that the videos are not getting that many views. 5 days ago, there was only one with 49 views, 35 views, 26 views. Less than 100 views on average, maybe even less than that for the videos on this channel. But if we go back and sort by most popular, we can see that this one video here broke out past her subscriber base, which was 4.74 subscribers, which is a really key point in this video, is that we want to make sure that the video broke out past the average views of the videos, but also broke out past their subscriber base too, because that's huge. If that video broke out past their subscriber base, that means it went past their subscribers, plus it went, it got some virality going for it and became a popular YouTube channel video idea for them. And so there's a good chance that you could recreate this same title, and if you knew how to do this certain kind of yoga, then you could do this same one for your channel, and that would be a great chance of having a breakout channel for your, or breakout video for your channel, so you can blow up your channel. So yoga and the vagus nerve. I don't even know if I pronounced that correct, but that's a great video. 200 hour online yoga teacher training. I don't know if you'd want to do that one. The 60-minute flow vinyasa yoga. You can go through here. You compile a list. You add these to your video idea list, and now you have over 100+ video ideas for your YouTube channel. And here's another one. This subscriber, she has Yoga with Adrian. She has 9.55 million subscribers. This girl has got it going on. Let me tell you. Okay, so we're gonna look at her videos, because this is a little bit different than what we were looking at a minute ago. And we're gonna look at her videos, and we're gonna see that she's got it going on. 836, 773, 617, 612, 600, 666. Okay, so she's got an average of around 700,000. We're gonna say 700,000 views for her YouTube channel on her views, which is really freaking good. So now what we're gonna do is, and that's recent, like with a month ago. So girl's killing it. So now we can sort by most popular on her channel as well, and you can see that there is some super extreme breakout videos on her channel. 37 million views. Well, that one was 7 years ago, so we don't want to use the ones that are that long ago. I mean, you could do them, but that was 7 years ago. So I mean, you could try them. I'm not saying don't do it, but we want to use more relative ones that are less than 2 years. This one's a good one. 9.9 million views. It didn't break out past her. Well, it did break out past her subscriber list, but we know that on average she's only getting 700,000 views. So 9.9 million views for this one. 9.4 million views. 9.9 million views. That one's 5 years ago. 2 years ago. And 8.7 million. 8.6 million. 8.1 million. And these are the video ideas that you want to do on your channel so you can break out. How freaking is awesome is that? So now you found your popular YouTube channel video ideas, and now you can go out there and crush it. Just start modeling what's already working. Don't reinvent the wheel. Go out there, start recreating these videos on your channel with relative look. And now we're going to look at, and then you go into the videos, and you want to make sure that you're looking at the channel tags and all that stuff on your channel, on their videos. So you're making, and then you find out what tags that they're ranking for. And if you want to learn more about that kind of stuff, then I recommend checking out this video here on my channel. And if you're looking to grow your channel even more, and you want to learn how to rank your videos even more on your YouTube channel, I recommend checking out these two videos here. But that's it for today, guys. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it was super helpful for you. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try out this method and what it has done for you. I will see you on the next video.